About 2.5 million light-years away, the Andromeda Galaxy is heading straight toward us. At a speed of over 100 kilometers per second, gravity is pulling our galaxies closer every moment. This is how the Milky Way and the Andromeda look right now in the night sky. In 2 billion years, gravity brings both the galaxies together. In 3.75 billion years, the galaxies prepare for their initial collision. In 3.85 billion years, the sky lights up from the newly formed stars. In 3.9 billion years, the night sky is filled with ionized gas clouds. In 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda have stretched following their first encounter. In 5.1 billion years, both the galaxies' cores look like bright lobes. And in 7 billion years, both the galaxies combine and form a massive elliptical galaxy. This NASA animation shows what the actual collision will look like. For the first 2 billion years, the Milky Way is rotating peacefully around its own galactic center. But soon, after 2 billion years, the gravitational force between the galaxies starts dominating and the galaxy separation decreases. At first, the galaxies begin to distort. Stars stretch into long tidal streams, pulled apart by immense gravitational forces. Then comes the first close encounter. The galaxies swing past each other, not in a violent explosion, but in a slow cosmic dance. Over billions of years, they collide again and again, each pass reshaping their structure. Until finally, they merge into a single massive elliptical galaxy, which is often called the Milkomeda. But here's the surprising part. Despite this massive collision, almost no stars will actually crash into each other. That's because galaxies are mostly empty space. The distance between stars is so vast, direct collisions are extremely unlikely. By the time this happens, Earth may not even exist, as the Sun evolves into a red giant. But if anything were watching, the night sky would be unrecognizable.